Retool, at its core, is a platform for securely connecting to, reading from, and writing to any arbitrary database or API. Retool already had a dbt cloud instance running years before I arrived at Retool. The reason why it was there already is that Retool, company's strategy is to hire smart technical people and to empower them to make their own decisions and build their own tools using data. The dbt cloud instance that we have at Retool was originally set up by the head of growth, who is not a data professional strictly speaking, but it allowed her and other early employees to get a lot of value out of the large volumes of data that our product was generating without needing to have really deep data expertise or to hire a dedicated data team very early in the company's history. Also, as an analytics engineer joining in 2023, I might have taken the job if dbt was not already in the picture. It's like asking a surgeon to come work at your hospital which doesn't have an operating room built yet. You can hire the surgeon, but there's a lot of work you need to do to set everything up before they can actually do their job. So it's a blessing for me coming in because there's already a single code repository with everything I needed to, everything in one place. There was data quality checks and testing that were catching issues that I wouldn't even thought to look for because someone was smart enough to put them in place 2 years ago. It was also a blessing to have dbt cloud when I joined already because there was a rich set of documentation that already explained what the data meant, where it was, and how to use it that let me hit the ground running. I love working with dbt and Databricks together because dbt and Databricks have a partnership that has developed very nicely. There's a official dbt Databricks adapter that makes getting the maximum use out of the features of the Databricks platform very easy within the context of a dbt cloud project. On one hand, the dbt Databricks adapter automatically applies photon optimizations, which we've found dramatically increases performance and speed within our dbt cloud jobs. The dbt Databricks adapter automatically integrates Unity catalog, which allows you to maintain that fine-grained control over your data without having to do a lot of configuration or figuring out details of how to access this data in a data lake while keeping it private and secure. The dbt Databricks adapter allows us to configure our SQL warehouses in Databricks and then to make sure that we have the right compute used for the right application to save us money and make sure that our jobs run efficiently and quickly. I'm very excited to use dbt and Databricks together by taking advantage of Databricks' ML features. So we have existing ML applications, but they existed on these platforms outside of our data warehouse. Very confusing and difficult to update and maintain them, let alone to serve the model results into somewhere useful. I'm looking forward to taking advantage of the simplicity of ML within Databricks, serving it directly into our existing data warehouse, and then using dbt to serve our model insights to customers and hopefully surprise and delight them with new kinds of data insights that they never even realized were possible.